She has a lot of mood swings.
Oh, gosh, she won't like hearing that, will she?
She's happy the next minute, she's crying, wants to
face.
leave. If she really wanted to go, then she would have got out that fire exit.
Exactly.
Left by now, do you know what I mean?
All she sees is love.
My second nomination is Akeem. I just think a lot of the things he does is a bit fake, like he fake laughs.
He is fake.
He is fake as fuck.
It's always the same. You never see him absolutely piss himself. It's always the same. It's like, ha ha ha.
Yeah.
Straight face again.
But
so it just doesn't seem real.
But I
to me.
don't think
He sits on the fence a lot as well.
That's his
I don't think that's not how
no,
he is.
that's his personality.
He is just a faker.
He's like a
in life.
two-dimensional personality, yeah.
So it'd be interesting to see how he goes.
He is. He's just like a work person. Like, you'd never get to know his actual real
You'd never
life.
cast him on reality TV, apart from he riles all the others up. So apparently it's genius.
Oh, look, Shin on camera.
I know a lot of people might find
Because the
it quite
conversation
funny
in the
and
hot tub,
quirky.
that's why.
And yes, that is
The
certainly
vegan
a
conversation.
character. But at the same time, for me, sometimes, you know, his blunt mannerisms are not
Yeah,
very
get
comforting,
Cameron
to say
out.
the least.
Get Cameron out.
Have we got any chocolate?
My second nomination
I got mint
is
arrow.
Isaac.
Ooh, I'd go for it though.
Isaac is a great guy, is fun,
Jack
very
bought it.
engaging.
Oh,
but
good, she
he's
nominated
susceptible
Isaac.
to having a temper on him.
Get it, Phil. It's in the
He
fridge.
can get a bit really like serious about things, and therefore I don't feel like I can be myself or be
I'm Julie
positive
Girl the other
because
day.
I feel like I should also
Zach opened this
subside
beer
my
and it went
energy
all
and
over
sort of,
him.
you know,
And James goes, "You need to be Budweiser." Honestly,
I
I
can't
that
remember
cracked me up so bad. I was
I'm
dying.
just really trying to fish for stuff here. And
They remind
I'm
me-
listening to that episode.
They remind me
At the
so
moment.
much of
Is
you
it the
and
one where
me.
Zach said not everything, they don't need to know everything? Is that
Yeah,
one?
maybe,
I think
yeah.
I just spelled Budweiser on my leg.
Yeah, that
I didn't
was
hear
it.
that part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I heard like Zach like bite into something really loud, and you're just waiting for James to tell him off.
Was it where the car alarm went off outside?
Yeah,
And then,
that exact bit.
and then Zach had like an echo
Yeah.
microphone thing.
Yeah.
That was good. Yeah.
I don't know how to put this because that's the thing I don't want it to be.
Ain't you
Isaac
done?
Paul is just, he's got ways about him that can make me uncomfortable at times.
Big Brother's pushing her. That's
She's
why.
intimidated by Isaac.
But you could tell Big Brother's trying to draw
'cause she
more
was
reasons
like-
out of her.
yeah.
She was getting a bit defensive.
They never do that these days.
Well, this is real Big Brother with Paul Osborne at the helm.
His
Full of-
cheekbones
Was that
are
ages?
just divine.
Oh, Frank
that was
Reasons.
fucking ridiculous.
She's got great cheekbones as well, actually. In fact, there's quite a lot of great cheekbones in there.
Yeah, Brooke does too.
But Brooke fucking highlights
I
to
think it's
fuck.
getting harder.
Look, see
So
Cameron's
my
friend.
first nomination is
Oh.
Kay. The reason being, I just don't know
Kay's gonna
if
go home
she's
this week.
actually genuine or not. I don't know
Good.
if it's like a facade or if she actually is like that. She'll like start explaining something and then she just like don't want to say it because of the cameras. I just genuinely don't know her and I don't know what
was
I'm
it?
getting when I'm actually
She
talking
starts
to her.
explaining something, then don't want to say it because of the cameras. Look how
She wants to go in the toilet to say everything, and there's a fucking camera in the toilet and a
This
mic.
one's quite hard.
Look how long
Actually,
Kenley's
no,
fingers
but
look
it's
because of her
probably
nails.
I love Cameron's
Oh.
pieces, but it's just like he
Good.
speculates all the time.
She's not showing her fingers now.
Constantly
Because he's
speculating
too much of
about
a
what's
D.I.
going on
Dan.
next,
Game
and
planner.
It gets a bit annoying because it's like you can't really enjoy your experience.
I knew
if you're
it.
just constantly speculating about what's going to happen next, down to the numbers and down to this and down to that. He's just very
Counting the days.
sometimes,
Counting the days.
He's got a what's that study board?
Got the M&Ms, got the red string.
Is Isaac, and the reasons are.
Oh, Isaac's definitely up.
In the full time we've been in this house, I've not heard him say please or thank you once.
Ooh.
I don't like the way he treats
Interesting.
people rude. He's very aggressive towards some people.
Uh-oh.
Yesterday,
tweeting?
He says like
yeah.
it's just a game. But he
I'm
was
trying to do this fucking
furious.
podcast
He was
here.
as well.
furious yesterday, kicking
trying
off
to-
with Akeem.
Trying to do the
Trying to have a
podcast.
go at Akeem because Akeem stole some
And
of his
tweeting points we already
coins that aren't
said.
even real. He made Zoe feel upset. He's just, I just think he's rude. He's got no manners. And that's why. My second nomination is Thomas.
What?
I like Thomas. I've got a lot of love for him. I
Ooh.
think he's a great guy. But I started to see a new side to him. He's just a down and out game player. I know that
Down and out gameplay. Out and out.
Today he's down and out. That's why he's got the goth up clothes on.
He'd fuck over anyone and put himself
He
first.
would. That is
The way that he
true.
reacted last night when
Isn't
I
it?
bidded him up a little bit on the
Yeah, of
extra
course he
life.
would.
I don't trust him. I like him. I just don't trust him.
That's fair, I think. Don't you?
My
It's
first
fair.
nomination is Kay. I can't put my finger on her. I don't get her as a character.
As a character.
Not a little bit. She's definitely playing up to cameras. When I see her in
That's Sean. You can book her in for the final.
Oh, God,
you know it.
She's so dull.
You know
it's
it.
just a bit attention seeking, and that puts. It just makes me a bit annoyed. And she's also
She is dead
she wants
wood.
to leave. I'm sorry, but if you wanted to get out of fire door,
just go.
It's a fire door for a
Just
reason.
ask
It's
John
supposed to
James.
broke out of.
It's supposed to be
Second
broke out
nomination
of.
is Lewis.
Is that what she said?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
Just
Lewis!
have any conversation that you enter with him,
Fuck off.
you try to pick it apart and get some kind of feeling or emotion.
Ah.
And I just want to have a conversation. I don't want to be picked apart.
Oh, he's trying to get emotions out of
We
her.
have totally different personalities. A
But she ain't
conversation
got
is
any
two-way,
old
and I feel
character.
like he has to get his full point across, and by the time he's finished his, I forgot mine.
That's
Dumb
your
bitch.
fault. We've got our pictures sorted.
My first nomination is Akim. He is playing a very sneaky and cunning game.
That's rich.
With like a sublime underlying rivalry going
Sublime
on.
or subliminal?
And he wants to make sure
Simply
he will never
sublime.
get up for nomination by being friends with everybody in the house. Never taking
How come
any
everyone
side in
fucking
any
hates him,
arguments
man?
or any disputes, always being, happy and smiling and sitting on the
Oh, always being happy and smiling.
Yeah,
How
but you would nominate people for that.
How
you would.
dare
You
he?
know you would.
competition, and I think the first chance he gets is going to come after me. My second nomination
Someone's coming
will be
after me.
Lewis. It's
Lewis!
hard for me, but I just feel like he's supposed to be this understanding, open guy.
Fuck
I
you.
really felt judged by him yesterday because I took some coins for myself.
Yeah.
I thought no matter what, he would be able to see.
Yeah, game
both
recognised
sides.
game.
People who
Innit?
didn't want to do anything or who wanted to, redistribute the coins, and people who wanted to take some for themselves as well. But he clearly passed on judgment to me, and that made me feel
Don't vote for
bad.
Lewis.
That made me feel disappointed in him.
Right, so my first
off.
nomination is Shan. The reason for my nomination is because
She's boring.
I feel like she could potentially be leading Isaac on because she keeps cuddling him.
Slut shame.
Because I love him a bit. It's like I just don't want him to look like a fool,
Sean's leading Isaac on.
and I don't want him to get hurt.
What's it got to do with you? Nothing. It's
Right,
mind your
so
own
the
business.
second
That's
one-
why I don't like this bitch.
My second nomination.
See what I
is gonna
mean?
be-
Don't nominate
Okay.
Lewis. Oh.
I think he's aware of the cameras.
thought she might go
and
for
I think
Thomas.
sometimes he might wait until he knows that it's directly on him to do something.
The cameras are always fucking on you.
But I think he does.
Why is her hair so long?
I just think he's
It's quite
trying
nice.
to
Annoying.
maybe keep up with
I hate
some
long
other
hair.
people in the
Like
house
long.
that are naturally funny. They're not waiting for
Is
cameras.
it real?
They're not
Yeah, I
playing up
think
to
so.
cameras.
It's
So
too
I think
long.
he just needs to stop trying too hard.
It's too much
Kay
hair. It
received
swamps
the
her.
most nominations with 6, while Akeem and Isaac received 4 each.
Oh.
They all currently face
Oh.
eviction
You're not done
on
yet.
Friday.
Oh, I don't care who goes out of that.
I know, I'm gonna.
That's good.
They will be
'Cause no one
joined
gets put
by
up.
Brooke
Oh.
and Kennelly, who were the 2
Oh.
housemates not already
Oh.
nominated to receive the fewest viewer votes.
They got the fewest
Oh.
viewer
Week
votes.
1 of them will get the chance to change their fate.
Who
in
will
this
get voted
week's
Must be a
to
double
evict?
eviction then. Why so many?
No, 'cause 2 of them are getting a chance to save themselves.
Guys, could I just have a quick word?
Guy,
for a sec?
can I just have a quick
I'll
word?
literally 2 seconds.
Can I just say
That's all I
something?
need to say.
Her face!
I apologise, firstly, to everyone who.
What?
I need to get off my chest.
Oh, house meeting.
Did you know yesterday in that challenge,
Yeah.
when I went
What?
into the room, I had the mindset of getting Isaac's.
Oh,
I knew
'cause it's
Isaac was going to
online.
get me fairly. And then
Eh,
getting Kay, because I
confessing.
knew Kay was going to contribute it to everyone.
After the noms.
So obviously I went to Isaac's first, and then I was on my way to Kay's, and the bell ran out.
Isaac's
At the time I
first.
said I got Isaac 3, and I got Kay 2. But I got 4 from Isaac, and then I went to
His
get the last 2 from
face.
Kay,
Big deal.
and the time ran out. So I really didn't want to come across that I was targeting you individually, because I generally went for Kay. So from
The way he's admitting this, like it's a big...
I'm sorry, guys.
I appreciate that. We'll see.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Wow, what a coincidence.
Just
How
after
convenient,
nomination.
Just after the nomination.
Thomas, oh.
Yeah, duh.
Basically, if he did it before, people might have not nominated for him. That's what I think.
Oh, you sound pissed off then.
Oh.
Well, I'm not pissed off.
Look.
I'm just disappointed.
Zoe's having a go at
Thomas.
Thomas.
I was really tired. I did go for K's. I'm sorry, man. I really am.
No, God.
I'm glad.
Akeem is so annoying.
I'm glad Zoe said that to Thomas then.
What? That he said it mean?
No, that Thomas goes, oh, how convenient you said it just after the nomination.
Yeah.
That is
funny,
rude.
though.
I know, it's
Baiting
funny.
him.
It's funny, but it was rude.
Akeem, don't worry. I'll come and speak to you in a minute. I'm just
Akeem sat on his own on the naughty step because he took 2 off Isaac or whatever. Who gives a fuck?
No, one more than he
Said
revealed
he
he
did.
did.
Who gives a fuck?
Dick.
Control yourself.
Oh.
Man, this is much.
Mm.
I can't because it's too much.
God, there's a lot of hate in this house, man.
Akeem and Thomas go head
Ooh.
to head. I'm not playing again!
Don't bullshit the bullshit.
At least he's admitting he's a bullshitter. Lol. Fair play.
Thomas is worth his weight in gold.
Fart.
That's a lot of gold.
Right, I'm
Ouch.
pausing.
Not allowed, shouldn't say that shit.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
University.
Right, we're back. Stop!
Oh.
5:59 p.m.
It's so ratty today. What's this coming out your pocket?
The alien access story.
A minion.
A lot of kind of like get the group together, apologise that you lied. It was a pointless lie. It was no need to lie. It's only a stupid game. To say sorry from everyone, you know, it takes a lot. So respect for that.
Yeah.
The reaction from Thomas I thought was a bit pathetic.
It hasn't changed anyone's. Hasn't changed my opinion of you.
Not anyone that matters anyway.
I just literally didn't want to. Isaac thinking he went for him, so I did go for you, but the fucking tie winner.
It's fine.
It's not that big of a deal. It's not that big.
Yeah, but it is for me, man. Seriously, I fucking hate like.
I think you still call me, you still call. It's not that big of a deal to me.
Did Lewis nominate Akeem?
Isaac is having
No.
some alone time.
He nominated Thomas, didn't he?
Yeah. Can't remember who the second one was.
Kai. Isaac's doing a Jay McCray. Is Akeem going in there? I'd be careful if I were you, mate.
Do you want to do that to me?
Yeah.
Huh?
I think it's just quite convenient you come out of it after nomination.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. It just seems like you're playing a little bit of a game. I'll be honest with you.
No, I understand.
Do you think Isaac would have thought of that himself if Thomas didn't say it?
Nah.
Whatever.
Oh, exercise bike like yours. Really similar.
Yeah.
An exercise bike behind him.
Oh, I didn't even say it. No one goes on an exercise bike. Silly. Ah, Bunny.
This is nice, actually.
7:47.
Oh, big brother.
Here, as a confession.
Look, my lamp. See my lamp by Kay. Look, it's that
Oh
lamp.
shit, yeah. I never noticed.
I got all
What's
the
that
Big
from?
Brother furnishings. Habitat. I got all the Big Brother furnishings. Isn't that funny?
Habitat is upmarket for you.
Well, it's Argos at Habitat. Habitat at Argos.
Did you ever meet?
Oh, I didn't know that one. Was a thing.
I was
I
very
only
young.
like 12 quid, those lamps.
What's wrong with Big Brother? Shopping in Argos and IKEA. Those stores at IKEA as well.
Those lamps are nice, though.
That you was playing perfect game.
Aren't they?
You blew it. So I'm hoping you're gonna slither
See, in
your way
that show
up.
you told me to watch, they had my lamp.
Oh my god, don't give
Yeah.
me that fucking theatre.
I want to talk to you about the show, though.
Don't bullshit the bullshitter for fuck's sake.
Well,
Yeah.
You're not being honest with me.
I swear down on my dead father.
Don't.
Oh my god, Tyler! Tyler!
I'm not putting your character into question. I'm making my judgment based on what you're doing.
Swearing on someone's grave is meaningless. They're already
Big
dead.
Brother's dead, yeah. Well, she's so swearing on the life, right?
Look, let's start.
No, because they die if you lie.
Yeah,
and
of
swear
course.
on life.
You created different relationships all around. Not very deep, not very deep level. Just about to slide through to the end. That's one part of it. Second part of it, yesterday you should have gone with it and be quiet. And now you're going around doing damage control with the housemates. Hello, it's clear as
He
day.
didn't really have to say anything, so. Did he? He didn't have to say anything.
They're arguing outside.
Who's arguing?
Thomas and Akeem.
Well, let's all go watch.
Hot tub. If you go to the door and put your
These lamps get hot as fuck. Kay should be careful.
Discreetly. With that.
Hobnobs. Gluten-free hobnobs.
Oh.
Hobnobs are bad enough anyway.
One in a box.
Kay's special one. Look at them all going to watch.
Mirrors.
They're children, aren't they?
And I'm not arguing because I just can't be asked to argue.
I'm not arguing.
Argue.
I'm telling you. Then fucking stand up for yourself.
Akeem didn't have to say anything.
He did, because he's not a liar.
I'm done.
For the benefit of the viewers.
Oh, look, they're all running off.
I thought we could have had another